Your smile is worth protecting, whether you're 8 or 80. If you participate in a contact sport like football, basketball, or soccer, or even in non-contact sports like rollerblading, a custom mouthguard can help prevent potential damage to your teeth. Since your dentist makes the mouthguard especially for you, it fits properly and allows you to breathe normally and speak easily. Custom mouthguards are durable, comfortable, and offer the best protection. When an accident happens, a mouthguard will absorb some of the force caused by a ball to the chin or an elbow to the jaw. It may prevent a broken tooth or injury to the tongue or lips. In some instances, mouthguards may reduce the severity of a concussion. Help protect your smile. Speak to your dentist about a custom mouthguard. For the ADA Dental Minute, I'm Dr. Maria Lopez Howell.